In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to send large files using Google Drive, perfect for when your file is too big to attach in a regular email. If that sounds helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips. So let's get started. Open Gmail and click the Compose button in the top left corner. Enter the recipient's email, type in your subject line, and write your message. Now, instead of attaching the file directly, look at the bottom and click on the Google Drive icon. It says Insert Files using Drive. In the pop-up, go to the Upload tab, then hit Browse and select the large file you want to send. Once it uploads, it'll show up as a Google Drive link in your email. Just press Send when you're ready. If the file isn't shared yet, Gmail will ask you to grant access. Just click Give Access and you're all set. It's a really simple way to get around email attachment limits. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more quick no-fluff guides. Thanks for watching.